Well, let's talk about how to store your files and content online affordably and conveniently. Now, the new reality of online storage means that if you're doing any kind of technological work and you use the internet, you're probably aware of different locations online to store a limited number of your files free. And perhaps you're already using Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive or Dropbox for some of their free available storage. And this means that you have access to these files regardless of where you are in the world and that you're able to share them with others. But the more that you do online, you quickly find out that the limited amount of storage may be enough to get you hooked on using it, but it isn't enough to hold the number of files and amount of content that you want to store over years or that you need for your business or organization. Now, there is another cloud storage system that's considered to be both affordable, scalable, no matter how many files you have or use, and reliable. And it's called Amazon S3. Now, Amazon S3 is considered to be extremely reliable in that many of the services and large companies passing on storage use Amazon S3 servers as their backbone. It's considered to be reasonable in terms of its pricing, as you're charged a small amount for storage and a reasonable to moderate amount for usage and bandwidth, meaning when your files are downloaded or streamed. It's adaptable, providing connection points through its API and security keys to individuals that want to integrate with applications they're using. However, Amazon S3 isn't necessarily straightforward to understand in getting it set up. This means that some of the true benefits can go unnoticed if you don't have a technical understanding of how it works. For example, the way to upload files requires a specific kind of interface. Delivering files to customers requires an understanding of how to use that interface and others like it. Understanding Amazon S3 would allow you to back up your computer system and keep the data affordably. And since the key to Amazon S3 is pricing, you want to make sure you keep up with bandwidth, which is something that isn't necessarily straightforward to do. Now, there is a video course available that will walk you through step by step through getting started on Amazon S3. And to find out more about that course, check out the link you see on this page.